10 PC set, large cookie sheet, 12 by 17 baking sheet, 9 round cake pan, 2, 9 by 13 brownie pan, 9 by 13 cake pan, cooling rack, lid for 9 by 13 cake and brownie, medium loaf pan, 12 cup muffin pan. Release is up to 2x better than Calphalon Classic Bakeware. Interlocking non-stick layers for high-performance release. Heavy gauge steel core heats evenly. Dishwasher safe. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to create amazing desserts, cookies, cakes and more. This large set includes a 12-cup muffin pan, 12 by 17 baking sheet, 14 by 17 cookie sheet, medium loaf pan, 2 9-round cake pans, 9 by 13 brownie pan, 9 by 13 covered cake pan and cooling rack. The cake pan cover will also fit the brownie pan for easy storage or transportation. Calphalon Nonstick Bakeware has interlocking non-stick layers to deliver high-performance release. In fact, it releases up to 2 times better than Calphalon Classic Bakeware. Now, even the stickiest baked goods can be removed cleanly for beautiful results and easy cleanup. Heavy gauge steel core heats evenly. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Best bakeware set I've ever had. So I bought this Calphalon bakeware set because I heard Calphalon was a great brand for cooking and baking, and boy am I sure believing in that. I have used it for a ton of things in 2 days and all of it came out perfect. The value for the money is definitely worth it. I have made cinnamon buns, brownies and a meatloaf and it came out with no issues and tasted even more amazing. The thickness of each pan makes sure it definitely cooks evenly and the cleanup with the non-stick is just amazing. I'm so happy I bought this and am definitely going to buy me a cookware set as well if it performs just as good as this bakeware set does. Thanks Calphalon.